So this is a video of my first initial look at the Crayon Cases Box of Crayons palette. So I try to do this video like a lot. I filmed this video probably about like 3 other times. I got this palette so long ago, and every time I try to film, something crazy always happened. Last time I filmed it, I only ended up getting to keep half of the content. The other content got wiped away. Another time I tried to film, the memory card ended up breaking and I had to buy a whole new memory card. So everything that I had, all the videos that I filmed on that memory card was all gone, which is about like 7 or 8 videos that I filmed, which I'm so annoyed about. And that's like when I had my bright red hair. As you guys probably seen in like another video when I had like bright red hair. Oh, that hair is so gorgeous, and I didn't even get to really tell you guys about that hair. That is literally the same exact hair that I'm rocking in my story time video. That black hair that I was rocking in my story time video, that is that red hair that I dyed and colored and all that good stuff. Unfortunately, I won't be putting it back in because I want to change my style, so I'm back to black hair for now, for wedding. And that's another story time in itself, but well, I'm rambling on. Let's go ahead and take a look into this box of crayon palette. So this is from the Crayon Case. This is run by Supa. Love her. I love Supa, Tokyo Vanity, The Real, Big Booty Judy. I love them. I love their products. I love that they stand together. They band together as sisters, as friends, and they support each other, and they all have booming businesses, and I'm so proud of them. As soon as I seen this, it was going, gone all the time. I actually got this on the second go around. This is how long ago I've had this palette. I have used this palette. I've actually used this palette in like 2 tutorials that I filmed that I no longer have access to. So I will be refilming the looks that I created. Hopefully I can get them down packed because I love those looks. And then it just made it pop because I had red hair, and it was awesome. But anyways, I can't dwell on that. Let me just go ahead and tell you guys what I think about the palette. So first things first, this palette is huge. Can you say huge? This palette is huge, you guys. Not only is it huge, but it has a mirror. And what I love the most about palettes is the mirror, if you want to just take it and go. And the mirror on this is so big. Like, the mirror is huge, you guys. It's as big as the palette. Now the palette shades range, and they're pretty much crayon colors. So this is the palette. Now, taking a look here, you can see that the colors of the palette are very, very pigmented. And you guys, I had to swatch it for you, and I'm going to show you guys a swatch right now on my arm so that you can see what the colors look like on my skin tone. So take a look at that. So right here should be the swatch of the different colors. Aren't they pretty? They're so nice. They all look bomb on my skin. It's even the tan color, because I thought that the tan color was gonna be the same exact complexion as me. It's not gonna show properly, but it actually does work as a great transitional shade from my complexion. So I'm super excited about that. And basically, this is just to tell you guys what I think. Now, I think that you can get a lot of use with these colors because the pans are huge. Like, when I say the pans are huge, a normal size pan is probably about half of this. So this pan is really, really big. It does not say the exact size of the pan on the box, but this pan is big in comparison to a regular eyeshadow palette. Also, the colors are literally butter smooth. So you guys, I mean, come on. You've seen already the video, the swatches that I did I would have to say I do have my favorite colors of this palette already. I definitely am in love with all of the purple shades. Purple is my favorite color, period. So I'm definitely going to be utilizing a lot of purple. The purple shade, the violet shade, the deep plum, all the purple variations I'm in love with. I also really love the blue color and the green color. And to be honest with you, there's like some I probably would have never bought if I was to buy individual eyeshadow colors. Like I probably would not buy lime green, and I probably would not buy pink. I'm not really a pink person, so I wouldn't buy the pink and I wouldn't buy the lime green. I probably would not even buy the yellow. I'm slowly getting into colorful makeup looks, which is another reason why I wanted to get the palette in the first place, because when it comes to makeup, I am very plain Jane and I don't really take that much of a risk, which I'm learning now that I should take a lot more risk, especially with makeup, because makeup is like basically an expression of how you feel and all that good stuff. And sometimes, I mean, I'm in a colorful mood, but my makeup just does not reflect that. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with this palette and playing with all the colors. I'll go ahead and show you guys like a live swatch of some of the colors. So I'm gonna actually go with the colors that I would not have purchased if they were single eyeshadow colors. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the lime green live. So this is the lime green color and I'm just rubbing it and it's so soft, you guys. Like it's so soft. And look at this color. Bam. The pigmentation is amazing. I'm going to go ahead and do the pink because I said that I probably would not buy a pink color. And look, you guys. Color's amazing. And then let's go ahead to a color that I really love. I really love the purple. Purple is my favorite. Now, in my opinion, the purple does not feel as smooth and the color payout is amazing. But the purple does not feel as buttery as the lime green and the pink does. Really doesn't, to be honest. But the color payoff is still amazing because it's darker. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch this yellow color as well. The yellow as well does not feel as buttery, but look at the color, you guys. Amazing. So there's just one more color that I'm going to swatch for you guys. And I think I'm going to go into the shimmer shade. Let's go ahead and pick magenta. And this is actually really, really buttery. It's so smooth. Look at that color. And there's 18 colors in this palette. 8 of them are shimmer, the rest are matte, so it's 10 matte and 8 shimmer. And I really will get a lot of wear. I'm a neutral makeup wearer, as I told you guys before, but I am going to experiment with a lot of colors because this is definitely a colorful palette. So far, so good. Again, I'm so sorry that I lost all that amazing footage that I had, but I'm going to go ahead and try to recreate some of the looks. But this right here was just an initial thought of how I feel. As far as the shipping, like I said, I ordered this on the second go round. No, yeah, I ordered this on the second go round. For me, it took probably about 7 to 8 days for me to receive the palette from me ordering. Business days, 7 to 8 business days. Let's not even count the weekend because I actually ordered this on a Sunday. So it took about 7 to 8 business days for me to receive the palette, which to me is not that bad. This palette did retail for $30. I believe it was $30 for this palette. But with the wear that you're gonna get from literally all of these colors, and especially because the pan is just so big, the palette's so big, the pans are so huge, you're gonna get so much wear out of this. The lifetime span is supposed to be 12 months. So, you know, like you have a whole entire year to enjoy this. And I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna use all the colors until they're hitting pan, and I probably won't throw it away if it's not done within the year. Let's just keep it real. But yeah, I'm excited about trying it, so stay tuned for the first look that I'm going to do featuring this lovely box of crayons palette right here. Again, thank you to Supa and the entire Crayon Case team for having this amazing palette. Also, what I got from them really quick is I got the Anglola highlighting powder. Yeah, I got the Anglola highlighting powder as well. I wanted to try that out, and I have already used this, of course, because I've already done tutorials on it, and I'll show you guys how I like this in another video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.